loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishakha. If you're new here, I create videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyles, vlog bhi kabhi karti hu. Just take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Today let's talk about sunscreens. I have a full bag over here जिसमें मेरी favorite SPFs है, कुछ new discovery है, कुछ मैं सालों से use करती आ रही हूँ, affordable category है, expensive भी है, tinted SPFs भी है. So I'm super excited for this video. तो चलो without any further ado, let's get into the video. By the way, this shirt that I'm wearing is from Westside. Like I am obsessed with Westside, and a Westside haul will be coming super soon. By the way, you guys, जितने भी products के बारे में बात करूँगी मैं सब कुछ description box में डाल दूँगी. Make sure you check it out. I have about 10-15 SPFs to talk about. सबसे पहले start करते हैं with the Wishcare SPF. Okay, this has been going viral on the internet, and I recently bought it. Okay, this is the niacinamide oil balancing one. I think so. They have एक दो variants. अभी इंडिया में craze चला हुआ है adding some actives with your SPF. Okay, so a lot of brands are doing niacinamide based SPF or like a vitamin C base. However, I wanted to try the niacinamide one mainly because this is great if you have oily skin. अगर आपकी skin बहुत oily है, you should use niacinamide. तो मैंने ये लिया. This is SPF 50 PHR+. सारे SPFs में दिखाऊंगी वो सारे SPF 50 है and PHR+ है. That's very important. मैं 4+ वाले ही SPFs usually लेती हूँ. Now what is really nice about this is इसका texture. It literally is like milky. Everything that I will talk about किसी में white cast and all नहीं होगा. I mean white cast and all is so like thing of the past. Right now every SPF is more moisturizing and it is more creamy, more like moisturizer base. This is like sort of like a thick serum, blends in seconds. I really have been enjoying this one. Apart from niacinamide, इसमें ceramides भी है, which again is really good for your skin, and इसमें सिका भी है, which again is very good for your skin barrier. Let me show you another SPF from a brand that I absolutely love. This one I'm 100% sure that if you're pregnant you can use this. So this is pregnancy safe. Okay, and Minimalist as a brand I really like their serums and their SPFs also. This is SPF 60. Okay, 60 में I think so मेरे पास सिर्फ यही है. में hyaluronic acid है, आपका vitamin E है, and इसका texture is somewhat like this. If you want a no BS brand, definitely look into Minimalist. Again, you know इसको this is more like a creamy sort of a texture इसका है. Okay, इसमें hyaluronic acid है, vitamin C है. This will just be very nourishing for your skin. So they don't put fragrance and all of that. So if you are somebody who has sensitive skin, आपकी normal skin है, या फिर you know you're pregnant, lactating, this is great. Another SPF, you know, that gives you this insane amount of glow is this one over here. I have 2 of this. This is amazing. This is from Dr. Sheth's. This is their ceramides and vitamin C one. You guys, this is a very bad swatch. भी आप massage करते हो ना, it feels like a lovely gel-based moisture. The glow that it leaves on your skin is incredible. ये भी SPF 50 है, PHR+ है. This is anti-pollution, anti-visible light. Okay, इसमें ceramides है, इसमें vitamin C है. If you're looking for a ceramide base which is good for your skin barrier and a vitamin C base SPF, definitely look into Dr. Sheth's. It's an Indian brand that I really like. Let's talk about a new discovery of mine, which is this one. Okay, Plum ki body range I really like, but I've been meaning to try their SPFs. Okay, I recently got their moisturizer which is amazing, and I got this SPF also. Okay, again SPF 50 है, PHR+ है. What is really nice about this is they claim that इसमें new generation UV filters है, so I suppose that's good for your skin. This is how this sunscreen is. इसको I would say absorb करने में ना थोड़ा सा मेहनत लगता है. Can you clearly see? थोड़ा सा ये white हो रहा है, but when you massage it in, white cast as such नहीं होता है. But definitely out of everything that I've shown you, इसमें हल्का सा वो मेहनत लगता है, but I am willing to put in थोड़ा सा like few more extra seconds in blending this. The reason why I picked this out is इसमें latest UV filters है. I also have the Aqualogica and the Dermaco SPFs with me. ये वाला जो ट्यूब में आता है ना, चाहे वो एक्वालॉजिका हो चाहे वो डर्माको हो, द ओनली दिक्कत इज इसके पंप मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मेरे पास डिफॉल्ट निकले हैं. एज मच एज आई लव ये वाले, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द पैकेजिंग आई वुड नॉट रेकमेंड ये वाली SPF. ये एयरलेस पंप, as much as it sounds good, ये मेरे को हमेशा दिक्कत देते हैं in just like that seamless application. So that is one thing that I don't like about this. चाहे वो Dermaco में हो, चाहे वो Aqualogica में हो, so would not recommend these ones. However, this one is really nice. SPF 50 PHR+, Dermaco से ये है, ये आपको blue light protection भी देता है. This is fragrance free, which I really like. Okay, and इसमें आपका hyaluronic acid, vitamin E आ जाता है. Classic, SPFs that you can use on a daily basis. Let me recommend ये Dermats वाले SPFs. Okay, now this one is the Sun Cross one, SPF 50 PHR+. This one is the La Shield one. This is matte sunscreen gel. This is a water resistant formula. Now if you're somebody who has a lot of issues with your skin, especially acne, you can look into brands like this. Like this La Shield one is amazing. मैं इसको कैसे explain करूँ? It has more of a velvety texture. इसमें आपका 25% micronized zinc oxide भी है. It also has a matte finish. This one also has a matte finish. For acne prone skin type, this is really good. Now let's talk about SPF just 1000 plus जाता है, because ये सारे ही अभी under 1000 के थे. So if you're on a budget, you can definitely look into this. But if budget is not a problem for you, let me recommend some SPFs that are my absolute favorite. You have to use your SPF daily. So whenever I'm घर पे, I like to use these सारे SPFs. Okay, but whenever I go out, when I'm out in the sun, then I like to use these ones. पहले let me show you my absolute favorite. मैंने इसके I think so 2-3 खत्म कर चुकी हूँ मैं. This is the Beauty of Joseon का SPF. I would definitely recommend you all to try this SPF. This is literally like water. Last bit जो इसका बचा है, अगर थोड़ा सा कुछ आएगा बाहर, थोड़ा सा बाहर आ गया है, to show you. This is how it looks like, and within no time this just melts into your skin. I love how gentle this is on my skin. It has rice and probiotic. Okay, Relief Sun इसका नाम है. Now I will definitely repurchase this, but I have a lot of SPFs to go through also. But this one is something that would just be like in my top 5 for sure. Another SPF that I found in my drawer the other day, and I was like, I have completely forgotten about it, and I really like using this. This is Biorka UV Watery Essence SPF 50 PHR+. Like I said, सब में ये है. Now this has such a nice texture. जैसा आपका जेल मॉइस्चराइजर होता है, this is exactly like that. मतलब पूरा ऐसे watery feeling इसके साथ आती है. The only thing is it has a bit of fragrance which I do not like. But if you are super oily, this one would just be amazing for you. Okay, Japanese brand ये है. Another SPF which is from again a very trusted brand which is Bioderma. Now this SPF is not for everyone. Now if you are somebody who summers में extremely dry रहता है, and winter time में तो I feel सभी can get used to this, especially अगर आपकी skin थोड़ी dry हो रही है. But summer time में if you are somebody who's still extremely dry, okay, very dry during the summer months, you need to get your hands on this one, the Bioderma SPF. It is extremely moisturizing, and this is specifically made for sensitive skin type. It looks like this. इसको blend करने में थोड़ा सा आपको मेहनत लगेगी. This is not one of those एकदम से melt होने वाला, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मेहनत लगेगा, but within few seconds it will give you itna hydration that you will love it. So dry skin type के लिए this is amazing. Let's move on to another SPF which I discovered last year. This is from the brand Istri. Now this is again SPF 50 PHR+. This is their hyaluronic acid watery sun gel. Claim कि इसमें 8 different types of hyaluronic acid. मुझे ये पता भी नहीं था कि 8 different types of hyaluronic acid exist करते हैं. In my head hyaluronic acid is just एक type का, but ऐसा नहीं है. So this you can see बहुत watery formula है. Again for the summer time, this is so beautiful. Okay, under makeup this is amazing, gives you that glow. This is a Korean based SPF. They know what they're doing, and I actually trust their formulations a lot more. Last SPF that I wanted to show you is this one over here, and this is the photo protector SPF from Isdin. Okay, this is their fusion water, and I'm completely out of this. I don't think so कुछ बचा होगा. Second tube, and I've completely run out of this. This is literally like water. Okay, this is of a much higher quality. This is the most expensive SPF जो मैं अभी तक दिखाया है, but this is so worth it. If you are somebody who's going on a holiday, you'll be out a lot, this is the one. If you have to go by the beach, you're in the water, this is amazing. Okay, so if you want an SPF which you can just blindly trust in the water, in a very humid area on a holiday, it would be this one. My friend who lives by the beach, okay, when she tried this, she actually really liked it. She has oily skin, acne prone, and she really enjoyed using this. Okay, I also want to recommend body SPF, like body spray sort of thing. Okay, this I really like, affordable category mein. However, now there are a lot of brands who are doing like SPF base mist and all of that, but I really like this one from Dermaco. अगर affordable category में हम जा रहे हैं, using SPF 50 PHR++, and इसका जो mist है इसका जो mist है, it's very fine. I really enjoy using this on a day-to-day basis. And a discovery that I made last year was this one from Neutrogena. ये oxybenzone free है. इसका like, do you see, it's more like a deodorant. I love using this on my body. In fact, you guys, when you use this is how it looks like. It gives you this insane amount of glow, which I love. Now this is something that I don't use on a daily basis. अगर आप by the beach, holiday, ये वाली vibe है, by the pool, you know, you're out and about a lot, then I would recommend this one. And they say this is water resistant for up to 80 minutes. There are a lot of brands doing SPF mist also. Two of which I want to try is the Indie Wild one and the Sundays one, the Rose Mist. Ye too, I will leave a link for that also if you're interested to check it out. Quickly, I want to mention 3 tinted sort of an SPF thingy bit. First one is this Dot & Key SPF 50 PHR+. I think so we all just fell in love with this. Thanks to Aditi, she had gotten a puya jisme sare shades the, and she gave me this to try. And I fell in love, you guys. Okay, this is again tinted. ये है बिल्कुल पानी की तरह इसका ये है. I loved using this, you know, for my gym and just daily basis पे. When you want a very next to nothing sort of a tint, it's बहुत lightweight इसका tint है. Okay, it's not very heavy, which I like. So if you're looking for a tinted SPF, definitely check Dot & Key. If you're looking for coverage will not give you coverage, but हल्का सा even out कर लेता है ये skin tone, which I like, and gives you that glow also. मेरा shade 01 है, by the way. Another tinted sort of a cream that I want to mention. This is the Requil Sun CC cream. This is 100% mineral, SPF 50 PHR++ है. This will give you a little bit of more coverage. इसमें you guys, they have shades also. Dot & Key में भी shades है, इसमें भी shades है, but clearly इसका जो coverage है वो इससे ज़्यादा होगा. This definitely will give you that instant amount of shine, so you do have to powder your face with it because some of me this can be a little bit overbearing. But how you use this is take थोड़ा सा amount and just use it like a moisturizer, like an SPF. That way you will actually like it. Tinted SPF की category में if you want something which is Korean, so I really like this one. This is from Believe. I believe they have better ingredients in it. Under makeup sits amazingly well. Next to nothing मुझे coverage चाहिए. So this is exactly that. The moment you know spread it, बहुत sheer ये हो जाता है. If you have the budget for it, you can definitely look into this one also. With that, you guys, we've come to the end of this video. As always, links for everything will be in the description box. So check out Kalina. I'm going to see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.